can't stop it. No matter what they do, they can't stop it. Live and die, where I'm from it's anytime. Feeling like I'm in my prime. Feeling let these know, don't act like it's no surprise. Know I'm blessed, it's different now. No contest, I win and leave. Never catch me to a head. Did it all from Tennessee. Been a G, used to think I'd never close. Self-doubt, lost focus, and lost track of plenty folks. Got up out my feelings in my city, and I really rose. Bring it all back home and bring them with me. Now that's really goals, they can't stop me. No matter what they do, they can't stop me. Can't stop me.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict. Do I gotta have it? I ain't even playing. Got a really bad habit.